in search of healthy keto. Fish kebab. For fish kebab, we have to replace the highest carbs in there, which is the breadcrumbs. So here I have, instead of breadcrumb, a tablespoon of gram flour, which is from chickpea flour, and about 1 tablespoon of almond flour, and that should do it. In the mix I have mayonnaise, fish cake from the local fish market, so close to a pound in there, a little bit of paprika, cayenne pepper, slightly salted with egg, 2 eggs in there. I would say 1 teaspoon of salt in there, and half a cup of chopped parsley will go there, and green onions. And I have to mix it up. Once it's mixed up, it needs to sit in the refrigeration for at least 30 minutes. So I'll put it in the fridge for 30 minutes, so it'll be nice texture, and you'll be able to roll it in a nice cake shape. That's the idea. Let's see. Once they're all mixed in well, I added 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and now it'll sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes at least, maybe longer. And then we just have to make the shape of the kebab and saute in olive oil. That's the whole process. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, the hardest part was to roll this blend, because it's a little sticky, into this shape. I forgot to mention that I had to use half red onion chopped, and then rolling them is a little tricky, but if it stays in the fridge for 30 minutes, it's probably much easier. So dip it in the egg and then almond flour and shape it as nicely as I could, but it's a little sticky. Next time I have to figure out how to reduce that stickiness. It's probably because I use 2 eggs. I could use 1 egg, but still it'll be nice, because once I saute in the pan, I think it should be still good. So we'll see. Okay, 2 minutes into this. I think 2 minutes on each side should do it. Just flip it over and let it sit on the paper towel after that. I gave about 3 minutes on this side. Now it goes to the paper towel, and it'll sit there for another few minutes to drain out the excess oil. And let's see how it tastes. Okay, I just finished trying one of these. Really tastes good. It's very tender inside, because I used that fish cake, which is a paste of fish from white seafood. It would be much different texture if I use a fish fillet and use it from there. But outside it's crunchy, came from the egg and the almond around it. It goes well with any citrus base, lemon juice or anything dressing. I like it with the watercress and touch of Southwest, Chipotle Southwest ranch dressing. So there it is, fish kebab, low-carb version. Enjoy.